As you know, India Wood, Delhi Wood, Mumbai Wood, those people are doing 3 exhibitions in a row. So from last 3 years, those people are not doing any exhibition. Uh, yeah, due to COVID. So this is the first time they are doing it Delhi Wood after 3 years. So we just want to know how they are doing it and what kind of machines are pending from COVID. That's we want to check how much of they are doing that, what are the main possibilities where we can go and check the things. So that's why I came for Delhi Wood. As you know, Woodtech is one of the main companies. Those people, they are dealing with modular furniture, wooden furniture, and everywhere they have their own line. So modular, they have a perfect line. They have a panel saw, through feed, everything. They got very perfect machineries as a line. In wooden, solid wooden furniture, they have turning motorizing and two-side planer, everything. We just have to ask Madan sir, can we get these kind of machineries? So Madan sir will say, this is our area. We can do it. It's not a big deal. So Madan sir can do it very properly and perfectly. Almost 10 years. We are dealing with Madan sir, Johnson, everyone. We are from Kerala actually. So I think almost 8 or 9 engineers are working in Kerala. Why? Because they sold around that much of machineries around Kerala. So they are keeping engineers in Kerala around 8 or 9. Motorizing. Those machines are very familiar with Kerala people, and those people are very. Right now, the modular furniture, people are using beam saw, panel saw, through feed, edge banding machines, everything from these companies, and these guys have just started the software for the manufacturing. That's the best thing. Why I am saying this? Because I know these guys and the product I know very well. People are using it very properly and it's going in a proper way. We are very happy with this product. I'll tell you one thing. Whenever you are going to buy a machine for wooden industry, you just have to think about the service. These people, why I am saying Woodtech, these guys are the best for service. They will do the best. I know Madan sir, everyone personally, but these guys are the best for service. Whenever you will give a call or something, they will tell within 24 hours or 36 hours we will be there. Within 36 hours, they will come and check what you need, where is the problem, and the service part, the components. They do have that much of stock for the components, so they can do it properly, perfectly. And right now, if you are doing a circle of my home around 15 kilometers, I'll get around 60 to 70 furniture factories. 12 or 13 factories are filled with these Woodtech machineries. That's a big gate. This is not about their machineries. Because of their service and the thing they are doing a great job. Every time we used to refer everyone. Never. I know. I saw a lot of companies nearby, but I'll never refer anyone. They got that much of capability. They have the spare parts. They have the servicing ability. They are doing the service properly. And so we are very much satisfied with these guys. We are very much satisfied. We are expecting a software from Woodtech people for solid wood production. We are expecting something from those guys. Woodtech.